Mr. Harmless here, and these are the notes for this first unit. Let's start off just by filling in these blanks. A point is a point. I know you think what it is. It's a dot. That is not what it is. That's what we use to represent the point, but that's not what a point is. A point is a location. It's talking about this is where this thing is at. In the best way we can represent that on a piece of paper is with a dot. It has no size or shape, but shape or size. And an example of this for how we name this is point A. You always use a capital letter to reference a point. What about a line? The line is made up of points, made up of locations, right? Any 2 points form a line. A line has no thickness or width. An example, when we name this, we can use 2 points. Call this line XY. You could actually also call this line YX. So the order of those letters doesn't matter. You just pick 2 points. If there was a third point on this, it wouldn't matter. You could pick any 2 points that are on there. Now, if you ever see a lowercase letter at the end, that's a name of that line. It's a special name. So you could also say line in. That's how we deal with lines. A plane. Plane is a flat surface. Like your screen or a piece of paper. It's made up of points. Any 3 points make up a plane. A plane extends indefinitely in all directions. Now, it doesn't look like that here, but this plane actually extends forever in all directions. You can name a plane by any 3 non-collinear. Ooh, that's a weird word. Non-collinear means not on the same line. Okay, name a plane by any 3 non-collinear points on the plane, or an uppercase script letter. So notice this letter here. So notice the J and the K and the L. There are 3 points on this plane. The P doesn't have a point going with it. So we could call this plane P, since there's a P there, or you could call it plane JKL or LKJ or KJL, whichever one you want to do. Order doesn't matter. Finally, intersecting lines and planes, when they intersect, they cross, right? Just like an intersection of a road. If 2 lines intersect, notice this line crosses this line, line R, line S, they cross, and they cross at 1 point. When 2 planes intersect, so 2 flat surfaces like the ceiling and the wall in front of you, right? That corner of that room is a line, right? It's a line going across. The wall and the floor, there's a line right there. So 2 planes intersect at a line. So there's the basic notes for this first section. Next thing that we'll do is we'll go over to some example questions before we do any homework.